Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this microwave used to cook, reheat and defrost from Silvercrest. 700 watts, 70 liter capacity, 95 minutes timer with a 6 power settings. With defrost function by weight and by time, quick start function and child lock. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. With a 1 meter cable, very convenient. And of course you can choose other colors, black, grey, purple and pink, so many. At the front we have the handle, just pull to open inside. Included we have the manual. And this glass rotated base. Included we have some stickers in here. And that was also easy to install, the glass base. Here at the front we have the display, the timer clock button, the stop button, the defrost button, the microwave button and the preset time child safety button. And of course we have this huge rotated knob to make the adjustments. I will show you. At the door we have this locking. You can lock the microwave door, just press and lock it. Pull to unlock. Very easy. I like the design. Metal, plastic door, plastic cover, chrome handle, the buttons, the knob. Now let's set the time. Press and hold the timer clock button. 12 or 24 hours. With a knob set the hour. The minutes. And that was all. A cup of water. With the knob you can adjust the seconds and the minutes from 10 seconds to 95 minutes. 10 seconds, press once and starting. We have an LED light inside the microwave so you can see everything. And or start again. You can stop with this button, the stop button. Resume again. Stop. Resume. With the child safety button, press and hold for 5 seconds. Lock it, we can see here. And it won't work, it doesn't do anything. Press and hold again for 5 seconds to unlock. Unlock it. With the timer you can adjust the timer from 10 seconds to 95 minutes. Let's say 10 seconds. Starting the countdown, and after 10 seconds you will hear a sound. There it is. To use the preset time function, use the knob. How long you want to cook, from 10 seconds to 95 minutes. For now 10 seconds. press this button and with a knob you can adjust the hour. 16, the minutes, 30, and that was all. Now it is 16:28, we need to wait until 16:30 and it will start the cooking process. You can view again the time, there it is. And that's how you can start the preset cooking process. 10 seconds for now. And of course, if you open the door, it will stop automatically. And you can resume. Stop. To use the automatic menu, with the knob rotate left, A01 and again right, 02, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's say 1, press once again and you can choose from 200 grams to 800 grams. 500 grams, and that is the total time, 4 minutes. And of course you can stop, reset. Let's choose the 8. How many bowls? 1, 2 or 3? 3. Press again and that is the total cooking time, 6 minutes. And stop, reset. And with the microwave button you can select the power. 100%, that means 500 watts. Press again, 80% 560 watts, 50% 350 watts, 30% 210 watts, 10% 70 watts, and 0. 8%, let's say for 10 seconds. And to use the defrosting, press this button and adjust with the knob from 10 seconds to 95 minutes. And press the knob. And you can stop, of course, reset. Now let's remove this and try the defrosting by weight. I have some ice cubes. Double press the defrost button and you can choose the grams. 1800 grams the maximum and 100 grams the minimum, and press the button. And we need 5 minutes and 30 seconds for the 100 grams. Okay, only water. Nice. You can warm any meal. And you can choose maximum or less power. Pressing this button you can see the power for a few seconds. This appliance offers a convenient and efficient solution for all your cooking, reheating and defrosting needs, making it a must-have in any modern kitchen. The Silvercrest microwave comes with a range of preset cooking programs that take the guesswork out of preparing your favorite meals. Perfect. Oh, it is warm. I like it. Or I can make a pizza. Frozen pizza, but first I need to defrost. I will defrost by weight, double tap. And the pizza, it is 300 grams. And start. Whether you are reheating leftovers, cooking from scratch, or defrosting frozen items, this microwave has a setting to match. With its simple and intuitive control panel, this microwave is easy to use for everyone. The clear digital display and straightforward buttons make selecting the right function quick and hassle-free. Let's see. Okay, perfect. Time for cooking. And I will choose the program 7 for pizza. 150, 300, 450 grams. Pizza is 380 grams, so I think this weight it is more suitable. 2 minutes. Despite its compact footprint, this microwave offers plenty of interior space to accommodate larger dishes. It's perfect for kitchens where space is at a premium but performance is still a priority. Delivers consistent power for fast and even cooking. Whether you are heating up a quick snack or cooking a full meal, you can rely on its efficient performance to get the job done right. Perfect. Wow, it is hot. Yep, it is okay. And now it's time for the rice. 100 grams rice and 250 ml water. %80 power for 15 minutes. This microwave doesn't just perform well, it looks great too. With its sleek design and modern finish, it's a stylish addition to any kitchen decor. Cleaning this microwave is a breeze thanks to its easy to clean interior and exterior surfaces. A quick wipe down is all it takes to keep it looking like new. Nice, I like it. Well cooked. What else? Now let's make popcorn for microwave. Power 100%. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. One of the best things about the Silvercrest microwave is its excellent value for money. It offers reliable performance at a price point that won't break the bank, making it a smart choice for any household. If you are looking for a microwave that combines ease of use, reliable performance, and affordability, the Silvercrest microwave is definitely worth considering. It's a practical and stylish addition to any kitchen, ready to handle all your cooking needs. And finish. Ooh, that is hot. Yum, yum, yum. I like it. Well made. I hope you found this review helpful. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more kitchen gadget reviews and tips. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.